Hi guys, I just got 2 squishies at Target, and I'm still at the mall. I'm not wrapping shoes because my sister's getting new shoes for the new school year. But I'm just too excited to wear. First, I got this duck. Seven out of 10. After not a real thing, it has ananas on it. So I'm so excited. What shoes are you getting? Converse? You're set on Converse. Let's take.
You don't like the black one?
It says ornament.
You don't like black anymore?
I can't see it. How the heck do you? People open them so easily. Hold on. Okay, I got it. It's open. It says ananas. 3, 2. How long does it take? I got purple. It's so pretty. I love it. I don't have a purple one yet, so this is added to my collection. Definitely. But anyways, I'm so thankful I got these. Bye guys. Mwah.